You publish a funnel, someone edits it, a lead submits it, and you're left wondering who did what and when. Vyroq's activity feed answers that instantly. From the funnels shell, click the Activity tab. That's your org wide feed. Every action across every funnel you own in one running timeline. Each entry reads plainly: someone created funnel, published funnel, edited funnel, or a visitor triggered, received submission. You'll even see used, template, and archived funnel the moment they happen. Filter fast. By action, by actor, by a specific funnel, or by a custom date range. So, a busy org's feed narrows down to exactly what you're chasing. Reach the bottom? Hit load older to keep scrolling back through your funnel history. Nothing gets lost, and nothing needs its own spreadsheet. That's total visibility into every funnel event the instant it happens. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.